Hello everyone, hello everyone, it's Misfit Godzilla Fan. I'm playing Minecraft, not Minecraft, why did I say Minecraft? I'm playing Happy Wheels. It might run kind of slow now, but, it's the best, it's just because of my, because my webcam is on. Most of the time it's alright, but, alright, so, we're just gonna do one of my, one of my most favorite ones. Well, let's just do the hotel. Hang on. There we go. The hotel. Okay, play. Just hope it does it good. Ah, dang. God, dang it. Okay. Hopefully it'll work now. Hey, Toby Games on YouTube. Yay, Toby Games. Yeah, busters. Alright, so, yeah, okay. So, I hope it doesn't take too long. Okay! It did! It worked! It worked! Yay! Hooray! Hooray for that! Jump over my bed. It's kind of slow. Excuse me, I happen to be more important than you. Oh, my leg! Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Okay. Okay. Alright, restart. And it's a fun game. It's on... yeah, it's just fun. Okay, come on! No, ow! It's going really slow. Hopefully it'll be better in a second. No! I can't tell what I'm doing because of how slow it is. Okay, come on, let's try it. But it lags even more on Minecraft because I've tried doing videos. Oh, cool! I broke my toilet. Okay. Okay. That wasn't me. No, come on. Okay, come on, make it. Ugh, it's really slow. It's lagging. Come on. It's. Ugh. Okay, come on. Get back. And yes. Dang it. Okay, I'm restarting that level. I might not do it. Okay, so if you're wondering why my mouse is like flickering like that, it's because of my webcam. I've got a special feature for it. I can also record myself, but like, it's hard to explain. Okay, but it's not a glitch. It's supposed to do that. Come on, jump, jumpity uppity, jumpity uppity, jumpity. Come on. Okay, I don't think I can do this level just because of that. I can usually make it when it's not lagging. Hey, come on, exit. Okay, I'm gonna do, where is it? Okay, hang on, I'm gonna do a different one. It's one of my favorite ones, balcony tear. It's funny. It's really funny. Hey, come on. Okay, it's lagging. Okay, I'm gonna be, I want old man. I'm gonna be the old man. Come on, please work. It doesn't. I'm gonna be man pissed off. Well, why is there another webcam thing? Hang on. What's this? It's the same thing. Okay. Well. Okay. Sorry. I'm going back to afterwards. Okay. All right. So okay. I'm just gonna go forward. La la la. La la la. Oh. Oh no. Daddy, he was trying to kidnap me. Thanks for saving me. Ow. Whoa. It's lagging. Okay. Why? There's an arm on his gun. Okay, this is hard. Okay. This is hard to do when it's lagging like this. Okay. This game's funny. Okay, so my computer is just lagging a lot. It lags even more on Minecraft. So I might do a Minecraft video with this, and you'll see. Most likely, if I try to do it with this webcam, gonna be even worse, and you'll be thinking this is like a lot better. Hey, DC Metro, I live near there. The DC Metro, I've been there before. Like, that's the only train I've ever gone on, really. Well, I'm going to one in New York. Guess where I'm going? Toy Tokyo. Yep. Why would someone go to Toy Tokyo if they're a Godzilla fan and not go to Toy Tokyo? I mean New York. Oh. Hey, Daddy, what's that out in your neck? It's a piece of glass. You mean like the bottle thing that I am in? Oh, dang it, I died. Okay, I think I pressed R a little too fast. Come on. Okay, alright. Okay, see you later, Mom. See you later, Mom. I was talking in the dad voice. Okay. Why do I say that's my mom? It's not. It's your mom. It's just my wife. She's going on the better train. She thinks Metro sucks. Ah. Come on, get on. I can never make it on the train for some reason. Ow. But Tobuscus did, though. I can't make it. Come on. Ah. Okay. Okay. It looks like I'm failing every level. Okay. I know. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, browse levels. Come on. There we go. Okay. It's lagging a lot, I know. I'm sorry about it. I can't do anything about it. Okay, so come on. Come, get it. Come, get it, please. I want to play. Happy wheels. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. There, dang. Oh, it's like frozen. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Browse levels. Okay, please work. Come on. Yay, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna sort by rating. Okay. Hey, it's just because it's lagging. Okay, there. Come on. Okay, come on. Okay. Yes! Please, come on. Alright. Alright, so this might be kind of slow, but, I'll try to... I'm gonna do, don't move, I guess. Oh, wait, I can't. Okay, never mind. Heart donation 2. I like the heart. Whoop. Okay, good heart donation 2. As I promised, I have made another heart donation level. Sorry for the latest. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing and rating my last one, which turned out to be great success. Please tell me what could be improved or what could be good in my next level. It will be made quicker and will only come with 3,000 players. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Alright. Oh, yay! What the heck? I wasn't an old man. Okay, it's just lagging. Don't worry. It's you know, come on, heart. Okay, come on. Wee! Oh, cannon. Wee! My heart! Wowie. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Whoa! Just because it's going so fast. I don't know if it's because it's going so fast or something. I don't know how. Or those just fake. I'm just kidding. It makes it look really cool. I'm just kidding. So the person that made this level, if they're watching this, it's cool. I love heart donations. Well, here we go. Woo! Is that gonna hit my heart or something? Yep. Well, maybe it didn't hit my heart, but it hit the thing my heart is on. Wow! Wow! Ow! Wee! Boink, boink. Wee! Up, wee! Oh, it didn't do it yet. Up, wee! Then you're in the line! Yeah. Okay, Whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That almost like fell off. Ooh wee! Not for Michael Jackson jokes. Michael Jackson died. Hundreds of children got. Never mind. Just never mind. I can't. And Casper. What the heck? There's difference between. I can't read. Screen. Okay. Whee! My voice cracked. Okay. Hey, look, it's Pac-Man. Hey, why isn't he eating those Tic Tacs? Whatever they are. Pac-Man? I'm not Pac-Man. I'm an orange. Hey, how did he go through the ghost? Freaking cheating. Is this guy cheating? This guy that's playing Pac-Man, is he cheating? He can't go through the ghost like that. That's cheating. God. Alright. The phone's ringing, but I'm pretty... I'm busy. I'm busy watching this guy. Okay. Yay! 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 Okay. Oh! Come on. Exit. Okay. Okay, there. Alright, so that was a cool level. I'm still gonna do more. Hang on. Ugh. Okay, so that was a long level. Okay, I have to admit. Okay. I'm gonna... Hey, come on. Trampoline fun, huh? Longest don't move 2. I think I did this yesterday. But I didn't show you, so I'm just gonna do it. Alright, hey, come on. Come on. Okay. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully it'll work this time. Okay. Hopefully this video won't be too long. Whoa. So I cannot move right now. I've just gotta watch myself. Just boring. After this level, I'm gonna try, like, moving. I've done that on a lot of, like, don't moves. I've, like, gotten killed. It's funny. Okay, whoa! Whoa! Ah! Sorry, the old man could have waited until it was over to do this. Sometimes when you gotta go, you gotta go. Whoa! Whoa! It's cool. I know it's lagging a lot. Whee! Ah! Ha! I'll never catch me alive, coppers! Hey, wait a minute. What? It's over. Nope. What? Okay. Awesome real time. Yeah. 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 Oh, my face. Dang nabbit. Whoa, my feet are so close to getting hurt. Oh, I love this level though. Ow. Even though I get hurt, I don't kids are. Yay! I'm driving a car. Wait, I don't have a driver's license. Well, I did, but I got it taken away from me. Oh God! Ah. Wait, did I put a car in this level? It's right. It'll take you out. Take it out. Thanks for the stars and for a new pencil. You'll only understand this if you. Oh my God! Oh my God! Whoa! I'm gonna try moving. Like, I know I shouldn't do that. Oh God! Okay, I shouldn't move. No! I should. Ah! I moved. That's why I died. Okay. Oh God. Hey look, I'm still alive. No, I'm still alive. Ow. Just spit in my swords. Spin. Ha 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 ha. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Okay, I cannot. Okay. Okay. It may look like I suck at this, but mostly it's because it's really lagging. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do one where I do move. Baby throw. Okay. I wouldn't really, like, throw babies in real life. Would I? No. Maybe. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Really, really. Okay, press C. E, then C. Okay. Then press. And finally, press Shift. Whee! That didn't work. Dang it. Shift. I can't do it. Oh. Sticky keys. I don't know. Okay. X out. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. I don't know what that was. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just exit. It looks like I really suck at this game. I'm like probably 2 times better when it's not lagging. Okay. Stuntman Extreme. Okay. Oh, wait, no, I wanted to do. I did an elephant yesterday. It was pretty fun. Hey, you know, I actually got some real sound effects, and one of them is like this guy screaming. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! You can't read. Oh, no! Oh, thank God. I thought I was gonna fall. Oh, never mind. Okay. Oh. Oh, wait, I can just press R. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. Yes, come on, make it. I can never make it on the bottle runs. I mean, believe me, okay? This is common. It's mostly because it's lagging, okay? Believe me. And also, I couldn't make it on the elephant one. I'll just say that right now. So, I'm gonna try it, though. Because it's gotta... Go on. An elephant. An elephant. And in the go. What to do? Run! Okay. I don't see what you mean by that. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go, like, as soon as I start. I need to go as soon as I start. Okay. If I ever start. If I ever start. Okay, come on. Yeah, okay. No, I gotta go fast. Oh my God! Come on. Ow! Oh my God. Okay, it's lagging. Look at this lag. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, kids. Okay. Oh, okay. See, I can definitely not make it, especially when it's lagging. And if you heard that, well, I do a bad impression. I love that sound. Okay, don't move. Whoop! I didn't mean to press on. Don't move. Kill Justin Bieber. Cool. I hate Justin Bieber. Okay. Alright, so... Baby. Oh, man! No! Oh my God. Yes! Yes! Come on! Yes! I've taken. I have killed him. Okay, now I think I just try to grab the axe and then just throw him in the trash. Okay, come on. Come on. Can't make it. Dang it. Okay, come on. I got it. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. No. I'm taking over. Ew, you suck. Boo, boo, boo. Well, probably because I'm in this little thingamajig. Okay. Okay. 8-bit rope swinging. Okay. A retro rope swing. Collect all orcs. Defeat impossible bit dad for a bonus. Gaze at the blockiness. My 3rd level. Bro first. Missed. Sorry. If it is short, 8-bit takes a while. Okay, come on. Oh yeah, I remember this. No! I remember this. It's so hard. I don't. No! It's like a video game. Okay, I can't. Yeah, I remember this from yesterday. Ugh, it's hard. Oh. Great idea. DX. Hey, DX. Godzilla DX. Toys, which are, like, really rare. Okay, so now, my idea is a trap, like a crusher. What? Okay. Hey, don't give it away. That's spoiling the surprise. It's spoiling a surprise. God, people are not cool. Like this. Again? Oh my god! Ow! Okay. Sorry, the sound effects are really loud. But anyways, I got real sound effects, not just recorded ones that I just like sort of put in the other videos, which I didn't, which I did before though. I got like real sound effects from Ultraman Kronos. Like on one of his videos, he lets you do. Oh man, okay. Alright, well, I think that's enough for Happy Wheels right now. So, goodbye.